Maaari bang mabisita ka? Imahe mo'y unti-unting nabubura. Ayoko na tuluyang malimutan ka. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, dadalhan ng paboritong bulaklak. Sapagkat ngiti mo ay limot ko na, sana ay muli pang masilayan ka. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, gusto sanang marinig ang boses mo. Sabay nating awitin ang paborito mo, di magsasawa na ulit-ulitin to. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, dadalhan ka ng mainit na kape. Katulad ng dati nating ginagawa, nagkwekwentuhan lang hanggang sa maggabi. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, manonood tayo ng pelikula. Iiyak, tatawa at malulungkot. Kahit anong drama, ako'y kasama mo. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, araw-araw kang pupuntahan. Mahigpit na yakap ang sasalubong sa iyo. Kukwentuhan kita ng buhay sa mundo.
Kaya namang makayanan, kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumaraan. Pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala. Hindi ba pangako mo nung una? Tiwala'y iingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay ay di talaga inasahang magkagulo, magkagulo. ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong mahalin sa susunod na habang buhay.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I pillow and cry from this stupid gag, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I'm so tired, I feel like catching 40 winks, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this fumes I make. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown